Stepping out to Angela Seas for a coffee beans, checking out the movies and magazines. Waitress, she watches me crossing from Morocco. Get a pickup from our steel town. So yeah, walking out now, Shakespeare Avenue. Excuse me for talking, I wanna marry you. This is the 7th Heaven Street to me. Don't you be so proud. You're just another angel in the crowd, and I'm walking in the Wild West End. I'm walking in the Wild West End, walking with your wild best friend. Well, I do there, pluckers. I was soft makers with you with another quick ditty for you. Classic song from Straits, of course, and Mark Knopfler, and a song called Wild West End. Okay, so this is my Campfire version of this song, and it's in standard tuning. I know on the record it's in G open tuning and played up here higher frets, but this is a simple Campfire version played in standard tuning. Okay, so what am I doing? So what you heard there was basically everything you need to play the song. It just repeats more of the same with different words. Okay, so introduction, basically I'm playing this. Okay, so it's just repeated that 4 times, or how many times you want to do it. Okay, so when I'm starting off with the standard D chord, and your pinkies are starting off with the D, and you hammer in to the 4th fret of the G string, 3rd string, with your pinky. Right? So it's, and then you pull it off from the 4th back to the 2nd again. All done with the pinky, yeah? Right, and then it goes to the pinkies moving over to the 4th fret of the 4th string, the D string. Okay, so it's right, that's like okay, so it's and then we go to an E minor 7th. So I'm playing the 3rd fret of the top E string and the B string with my 3rd finger and pinky, and my 1st finger's playing the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and all 6 strings. So you've got bottom string open, to bottom E string open, E minor 7th, and then I'm just adding my 2nd finger to the 3rd fret of the 3rd bottom E string to make the G chord. Okay, so it's okay, and you do that 4 times. Speed it up a bit. I've just played that a bit slow, so okay. Then comes in the verse. The verse is exactly the same chords. You could carry on playing that all the way through the verse if you wanted to. I simplified it by just playing the chords for the verse, alright? Stepping out to our juices for my coffee beans. Okay, checking out the movies and the magazines. Waitress, she watches me crossing from Barocco Bar. Get a pickup for my steel guitar. I saw you walking out now, Shaftesbury Avenue. Excuse me for talking, I wanna marry you. This is 7th Heaven Street to me, don't be so proud. You're just another angel in the crowd. It's the same chords all the way through that, okay? And then we go into the chorus, and it's, now this is a little bit different. D, walking in the Wild West, to the E minor 7th again, and then what I'm doing is I'm playing a G6. So all I'm doing is I'm making the G chord up as we did before, but I'm taking the pinky off to leave the top E string open. It's a G6. Okay, so it's walking in the Wild West End. Alright, so a quick single strum on that G6, and then I'm going down to play a partial G major 7th, just the first finger on the top E string, 2nd fret, and I'm playing sort of 4 downwards really, and then taking it off and playing the open strings, top 4 strings. Okay, so it's so I'm walking in the Wild West End. Right, got that? Nice easy, yeah? And you just repeat that phrase 3 times. Okay, it's walking in the wild, E minor 7th, G6, E G major 7th, again, walking in the Wild West End, again, G6, G major 7th, again, walking with your wild best friend, and again, same as usual. Then we come to this bit, A minor, then a quick G to F, right? I'm playing a 4-fingered F. You could play a simple F if you wanted to. I'm just playing an F with C in the bass. So this standard F chord, this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string 3rd fret, pinky taking over on the 4th string 3rd fret, 5 downwards, or you could play a bar chord if you wanted to, whichever. Okay, so A minor to a G, F, D, just a single strum will do, and then we do this. I'm just playing a bar with my 1st finger across the 4, 3 and 2 strings on the 5th fret twice, and then the 3rd one you slide it up 2 frets to the 7th fret. The bar is now on the 7th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. That's right. And then the whole thing repeats. Verse, go back into another verse, another chorus, etc. Okay? So we'll just go through the whole thing slowly. Okay? So, right, so we'll do the intro a couple of times. I'm going to do the intro twice, and then we'll do the first verse and the chorus, okay? And the instrumental interlude. That's okay? So here we go. Verse. Stepping out to Angel Lucy's for my coffee beans, checking out the movies and the magazines. Waitress, she watches me crossing from the Barocco Bar. Get a pickup for my steel guitar. I saw ya walking out now, Shaftesbury Avenue. Music of talking, I wanna marry you. This is my 7th heaven street to me. Don't you be so proud. You're just another angel in the crowd, and I'm walking in the wild west end. Walking in the wild west end. Walking with your wild best friend. And off into another verse. Got it? Nice and simple one for the weekend for you. Thought you'd like that. Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.